So ngayon guys, ulitin ko ulit lahat ng song, like yung Secrets, Out of My Head, at saka Zero Pressure. So papakinggan ko ulit kasi kanina hindi ko masyado napakinggan ng ayos, hindi ako nakafocus kasi nga gawa ng space. So eto na, sorry kung may mali man ako masabing singer na Beanie, kasi ang hirap talaga i-distinguish ng ano nila, ng boses.
Something's up, I can see it written on your face, you know.
Parang si, wait lang, parang
now what you thinking, wondering why you can't let it
diba, parang si Gwen, pero parang si Stahu.
What's now what you thinking, wondering why you can't let it go.
I think it's
Baby,
Gwen.
you can get it off your mind.
Ika.
Don't know what you're feeling, it's not enough. You can talk to me and we can work this out. Oh, I don't seem to get you. Oh, are you hiding something from me, baby? Oh, tell me it all to me now. Tell it all to me now.
The harmonies.
I wanna show you that you can. Tell me all your secrets. Promise I will keep them. Just trust me, you can trust me, boy. Speak, let me hear your voice. Tell me all your secrets. Promise I will keep them. I'm not playing, trust me, boy. If you're with me, make some noise.
Ang ganda! I'm not being OA, pero sobrang ganda, sobrang favorite ko na Secrets.
Don't stay tired, never let words slide.
Is it all because of the past that you had? Is it why you cannot talk to me?
Just can't think of no reasons. Just to let you know you're safe for me.
Oh, I don't seem to get you up.
Galing!
Something from me, baby.
Oh my God! I'm not hiding anything from you, baby. Never know.
Ooh, I wanna show you that you can. Tell me all your secrets. Promise I will keep them. Just trust me, boy. Speak, let me hear your voice. Tell me all your secrets. Promise I will keep them. I'm not playing, trust me, boy. If you're with me, make some noise.
Hey!
Tell me, boy. Tell me, boy. Tell me, boy.
Sobrang ibang-iba yung vibes nitong EP sa mga music song nila.
Something lately. Did I say anything to make you feel this way? Just know that with me by your side, don't need to worry. You don't have to lie.
Wow!
All your secrets, promise I will keep them. Just know you can trust me. If you're all alone, you can call me on. Tell me all your secrets, promise I will keep them. You know you can trust me. I'm not lying. You can count me on. That's right.
Deep inside, I know you're trying to hide. No, keeping your thoughts a limitation.
Tell me, boy. Tell me, baby.
Masulat talaga.
Tell me, boy.
I think mas malilinawan ako sa mga balls nila pag sa live performance ko napanood. So ngayon naman yung Out of My Head again.
Let's go. Stepped out of a movie scene. Feels like you are my wildest dreams. I'll be the queen and you'll be the
Lahat
knight.
talaga sila, like,
Don't you
they
think
can dance, sing, harmonize,
coming out
rap.
of a fantasy? Make believe in your
Parang
greatest
pang ano siya talaga, pang
I'll cast a spell
party.
and you'll do the crime.
Diba?
A
Like yung
match
beat,
more perfect.
na-imagine ko siya sa ano, sa bar.
Tick-tock, the clock is talking. Don't think too much.
Heaven.
It's just a simple question. To fall in love. Out of my head.
Go!
Can't seem to find the
Talaga ba yung Sheila kay Jessica?
keep me up
Minsan si
at
Aya din.
Know which way to go. Hearts lost all control.
Oh my gosh, Aya ba to?
Out of my head. Come on, hey, don't walk away. Sometimes what's scary is worth all the pain. Pressure from stone, building the diamonds. I'll be the queen of all of our islands. Be real, be true, be calm. Be bluff, can't do no wrong. Don't overthink, don't stand on the edge. Much better when you're off the ledge. Hey, wanna take time, wanna figure things out. Treat me like the one, show me all the good crowds. Need a rose or a story to tell. Might be known as Penny the Flat. My mind, my heart ain't trusted. Been a while since you just walked in. Excuse me for being straightforward. You make me wanna lose and start all over. Tick tock, the clock is
Ako'y napagod din sa rap.
ticking. Don't think too much. Don't think too much. It's just a simple question. Too far, too far. All in love. Out of my head. Out of my head. Can't seem to find the path ahead. Making me blind, keeping me up at night. Don't know which way to go. My heart's lost all control. Out of my head. Out of my head. Can't help how you race through my mind and fill my dreams with the
Mika and
sweetest
Joe ba yun?
desires. Didn't think I'd fall in love this way. It's crazy how you make me say out of my
Mga kalat.
Can't seem to find the path ahead. Out of my head.
This is too much for me.
Can't seem to find the path ahead. Making me blind, keeping me up at night. Don't know which way to go. Heart lost all control. Out of my head.
Oh my God.
My head.
Bro! Parang too much na siya, guys. I cannot. Sobrang ganda ng Secrets at saka Out of My Head. Tapos zero pressure pa. Oh my gosh, let's go again. Woo!
Heaven knows the force of nature are coming like a hurricane.
Grabe talaga.
I'll take it down without a chaser. So
Without a
everybody
chaser,
knows
I
my
cannot.
name. It ain't about the fame. I wanna be remembered for the way the world gon' change us. I got fire and I'm love when I move. No, you won't catch me holding out for a miracle. I'm right here and I got nothing to lose. Baby, I'm always looking up at the pinnacle. Never hold back, no. Give a little extra, always doing better. Keep it right on. Zero pressure, zero diamonds. Ain't no one gonna give it to you. Gotta grab it before it goes. Even
Parang
if it
ano,
falls to ruins, whoa, I'll never give in to the pain. It ain't about the fame. I wanna be remembered for the
Kantang na
way the
parang
world
out
gon'
of
change
beat.
us. I got fire in the
Fire in my blood.
No, you won't catch me holding out for a miracle.
Parang ano,
Right here and I got nothing to
nasa ito yung ano,
lose.
yung lyrics.
Baby, I'm always looking up at the pinnacle.
Never hold back.
Never
Always, they are always doing better. Tapos parang, di ba parang ngayon, kaya sunod-sunod yung ganap nila or schedule kasi they want the hit to keep on going. Di ba? Parang they want to, ano ba yun yung para hindi mawala yung ano ba, para paano ba sabihin yun? Para hindi sila, para mas uminga yung pangalan ng BINI ngayon, 'di ba? Kaya puro sila schedule pero parang may pressure pero zero pressure, parang gano'n. Ewan ko, hindi ko na din alam. Ano ang pansin? masyado lang akong nalilito sa kanta. Hindi, parang, kasi parang about feeling, di ba? Nalala ko sa Zero Diamonds, yung sa live nila, sa app dati, like, di ba nagbibigay din ng diamond? They got fire when they move. Nakakatawa lang yung video kasi parang alam mo yung sa karaoke na ano, yung mga effects. I love that move. Wow! Sobrang ganda ng EP, guys. Like, of course, ayun nga sa Blink Twice. As of now, as of now. Blink Twice, and then Secrets, and then Out of My Head, and then Zero Pressure. So, hindi ko alam kapag pinaulit-ulit ko tong EP na to kung mapapalitan ba yung Blink Twice at saka Secrets. So, let's see. Pero sobrang ganda ng EP, guys. Let's stream music video and then tong lyrics and then sa Spotify, YouTube Music. Let's go, let's go. Sobrang grabe. Sobrang ibang-iba nitong EP na to sa mga album nila before. Pero sobrang catchy nung mga beat, yung lyrics. Sobrang wala yung raps and then yung harmonies, yung ad-libs. Ay nga yung with yung sa collab nila. Sobrang ganda talaga. Like, oh my gosh, nasan yung era na talaga tayo, and I cannot, parang alam mo yun, nag-aantay ako ng more songs, kasi parang, hindi ko masyadong naano yung sa Tala-Arawan, pero eto talagang, nandito ako sa EP na to, alam mo yun, hindi ko pala kaya, like, hindi ko pala, yung excitement ko, yung, alam mo yun, yung excitement ko dito sa EP na to, tas nung na-release na, grabe, oh my gosh, sobrang ganda. Hindi naman na-disappoint sa na-release na to kasi sobrang ganda as in, guys. Oh my gosh, parang, syempre iba yung atake ng mga previous song nila, pero etong EP na to and tong mga songs na to, grabe, sobrang vibe and it's a bop for me. So, sobrang ganda. Let's stream it. So, ayan, sobrang haba ng space sa X kanina and sobrang chaotic, guys. Sobrang haba ng space kanina and nung first time ko siyang mapakinggan kasi with Beanie sa X, sa space. So, sobrang haba nun, guys. Like, almost 1 hour ata. Or, almost 1 hour. So, ayun, sobrang ganda ng mga song. Kagaya ng sabi ko, it's a bop. Sobrang nakaka-LSS yung yung lyrics at saka yung beat. So sobrang ganda. Grabe, hindi naman na-disappoint talaga dito sa EP kasi nga ayun, sobrang ganda yung vocals. They slay every voice. Pero ay nga, sorry guys if may nasabi man ako na member na mali dun sa mga sinabi kong part na nakanta kasi sobrang ewan ko pagka lyrics lang yung pinapakinggan ko, sobrang hirap kong i-distinguish kung sino tong nakanta na to. Kasi nga, ayun nga, lalo na yung low register ni She, ni Gwen, ni Stako, and minsan si Aya din. So, sobrang hirap hulaan nung boses nila. Kasi, lalo na ako, kasi hindi talaga ako magaling sa mga ganan, as in. So, ayun, sobrang nililook forward ko yung live performance nila dito sa mga kantang to. Kasi, I know they will slay the live performance kung meron man. So sobrang swerte ng mga ng mga blooms sa mapanood to sa concert, 'di ba? Like pag nag-world tour sila kasi tayo dito sa PH Arena hindi natin napakinggan. So super excited na ako mag-react dun sa live performance nila dito sa mga kantang to. Pero malay natin mag-release sila, 'di ba? Malay natin i-perform nila sa ASAP, ganon, 'di ba? So, let's see. So, that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Annyeong! Hey!